Y'all see that bird, right? See him on that pole, y'all? It flew out the yard, y'all. Swooped over my head, really. It's so pretty. What is that? That's some type of bird, y'all. I'm gonna get a little closer. There you go. See him, y'all? Right though. He flew off, y'all. Y'all look at the cats. I think I did a good job painting, y'all. I got to do the porch. I did a very good job. That's gray, midnight, and maize. Maize, gray, and midnight. Yes, you guys. Yeah, I caught the bird this time, you guys. So I was gonna go get some gas, you guys, but I ain't feel like it. So I'm just going in the morning. Yeah, I've been tired. JoJo wore me out today, you guys. Remember, you guys, to do your spiritual bath, your spiritual showers, okay? Don't forget about that. That's very important, okay? Pray, meditate, okay, you guys? I love you guys. The Most High loves you. Keep going today. Keep shining bright like the diamonds you are, baby. I love you. The Most High does, okay? One.